Good morning. Here we are, out on the open ocean on our way back down to Seattle. This is our last day. It's a sea day. It's a sunny day. It is so beautiful out. Just wanted to show you. There's the beautiful sunshine on the water. So we're heading here into the, and then here's the World Fresh Marketplace. Alrighty, so we washed our hands. They have the hand sanitizer there. It depends on who's standing there if they ask you to do it or not. We always wash our hands. So they have tons and tons of seating. And then it just kind of depends on which part of the buffet is open. As you loop through, they always have this area called the bakery. It's where you get your rolls, your croissants, things like that in the morning. A little later it has desserts and rolls.
Good morning everybody, it's Dan, your cruise director here. Hope you're having a good morning so far. Just a reminder that the clocks did go 1 hour forward last night, so currently the time is just coming up to 10 a.m. right now.
So you just keep walking and then you turn into the darker decorated
the first chance to do that is at 10:30
dining room
in the Vista Lounge.
10:15. Hi, good morning. Thank you. And so this is the part of the buffet that's open this morning. They're busy taking good care of everyone. So if you're on one, they have the exact same seating on the other side. So if you can't find a seat, go to the other side or keep walking back and you'll be able to find somewhere. So okay, we're looking for a whale here. We've seen him spout. Let's see if he does it again. Like I said, we have not seen very many whales at all on this trip. Oh, yep, there was a little one. Never have too many sea box. Alright, and swirls is open. Hello! Thank you. Just here for lunch.
In a depth of water of around 1,500 metres, which is 4,900 feet. We will continue to follow the western coastline throughout the remainder of the day.
This is Stanley, and this is his girlfriend Jerry. So I just thought you would like to see that. And then this little moose fellow, he also goes with them. His name is McKinley. So I just wanted to show you because they're so cute. And there's little Stanley. Cutest little bears, and they are so soft if you're wondering. Soft and gushy and cute. So I just wanted to show you from where I'm sitting here, like they have this nice little fountain. Just to add some nice relaxing walking sounds here. So anyway, beautiful floor. And then I want to show you once again. Isn't that beautiful? Alrighty, we're putting out our luggage here. They have you put out as much as your luggage before you go to dinner that you can. And then after dinner, they ask you to put out the rest. And so usually some cruises have said to please have it all out by 10. I don't know. This one, it just asks you to put out what you could put out before dinner and then the rest after. So that's what we're doing. Okay.
So this is our room steward. He's done a wonderful job. Anton, we're so sad to leave him tomorrow, but tell us a little bit.
Yes. Well, thank you very much. We are choosing Princess Cruises. The first one to the Alaska, and then we are happy. We are stronger and stronger. We back. And then next time, please bring all your family, your friend, come here with your smile and happiness in Princess family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anton.
Thank you.
Hi there. We forgot to do our nightly recap last night, and so I just wanted to let you know that we had a lovely sea day yesterday. It was beautiful weather. As we were heading south, it got warmer. We just had a glorious day, and so be sure to enjoy your last sea day. Don't spend your time thinking, oh, it's over. It's not over. And so enjoy your day. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that I'm putting together a list, and I'll be doing a recap video when we get home. And so I just wanted to let you know that we've learned a lot on this cruise about how things are working now, as well as a few changes that Princess has made, not because of COVID, just to improve things while they had the shutdown. And so I'll be telling you about that. And I just wanted to tell you that in reflection on this cruise, we have seen beautiful scenery, we have enjoyed this beautiful ship, but the very best part of our trip has been the wonderful people that we have met. Some of them, so many of you have been kind and come up and said hello, and I just thank you so very much. You are the most wonderful people, and going on this cruise and meeting so many people has somehow restored a little bit of our hope that that everything is going to turn out okay. I knew it was, but because we have Jesus Christ, I knew everything would turn out okay. But meeting you all has just really made us so very happy. So thank you for saying hello. Thank you to so many of you for being so kind. We really, really appreciate you, and we love you back. And so we will be talking to you again really soon. If you've enjoyed our videos, will you please subscribe and give us a thumbs up on our video? I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. We will be talking to you again soon.
Real soon.
Until then, you take really good care. God bless you. Love you.